So you want your home to look like a designer decorated it, but you don't have a large budget for decorating. Shopping at the thrift store for home decor saves you so much money. Hi, I'm Liz, and I have a YouTube channel where I teach how to create interior design concepts using thrifted items. When I started off my journey, I was a teacher and I didn't have a large budget for decorating. So that's where I found the thrift store. Out of my need to really save money at that time of my life, I realized that I could have the designer home that I was looking for by shopping at the thrift store and just using a little bit of DIY. The thrift store has some great quality items in it that oftentimes somebody just no longer wants or needs anymore. Whenever I go shopping in any thrift store, I have a secret list of items that I'm always on the lookout for. I want to share with you 3 of my secret items that I'm always looking for. The first piece that I'm always looking for is furniture. You can find really great wood quality furniture pieces for inexpensive prices, and maybe they just need a little bit of DIY to update them, but you really can get a bargain at the thrift store when it comes to furniture. Don't be intimidated if a piece of furniture needs work. With an afternoon spent cleaning up the piece and maybe painting it a color that matches in your home decor piece and adding in a few wow factors is going to turn that piece into a statement piece in your home that no one would recognize that you purchased from the thrift store. The next item that I'm always on the lookout for at the thrift store is glassware. If you walk into any thrift store, you will see an abundance of glassware, from dishes to vases to all kinds of pieces. I like to concentrate on the shape of the glassware because you can always change the color later. Taking a grouping of 3 mismatched glassware and changing up the colors to it, adding in a cohesive color palette can make a beautiful set for you to set out in your bathroom. Not only can you purchase bathroom accessories at the thrift store for a fraction of the cost, but you could also have a really unique piece for your bathroom that you couldn't just pick up at a retail store. If you go into any thrift stylish home, you're gonna see an abundance of books. You can find vintage books and hardback books at your local thrift store, not just for reading, but also for decorating. And you can find them at a really discounted price. You can use vintage books to add color and texture to your decor. You can also take a small piece that you have in your home and elevate it by putting some vintage books underneath. It's gonna make that piece look more substantial and stand out. These are just a few ways that I've integrated vintage books into my home. In the course, I have an entire section where I go through how you can use and style vintage books in your home. If you enjoyed watching this video, you're definitely going to enjoy watching my course, Thrifty Interior Design Magic, that I put together with International Open Academy. I have put together everything that I've learned about putting together thrift stylish home decor, and I've created a course with all of my best tips and tricks. We cover topics like how to get the best out of your local thrift store, how to shop the thrift store like a designer, and how to do DIY with thrifted items that you purchase from the thrift store, and of course, so much more. I'd love for you to join me in this course, so click the link to find out more.